y'all. First of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As y'all can see, it's so good, man. I can't even talk. I tried the new I went to Dairy Queen and got me a small blizzard of the REESE's, the new REESE's butter something butter blizzard. It has marshmallows, REESE's cups. I don't know what else it has in it. Peanut butter swirl. Of course, I took my lactose pill too. Otherwise, I'll be beating it all up. Oh, look at that marshmallow, y'all. I love marshmallows. Look at that. The reason why I got it. I love marshmallows. Comment down below if you like marshmallows. This is so freaking good, y'all. Y'all better come get one of these. Y'all better come get one of these. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Look, y'all, look. Oh my god, that's a marshmallow. I hope y'all been having a great weekend, great day, great month. Happy Columbus Day, and enjoy y'all night. Well, I enjoy this grubbing this. Y'all will see me on the next video.